Hello, teachers! Do you want to be an English teacher abroad, especially in these countries? Well, isa sa mga requirements nga imong kuhaon is Tesol certificate. Now, asa ka pwede makakuha sa imuhang TESOL certificate? Well, I will recommend to you this TESOL Mentor International. So, TESOL Mentor International is a TESOL provider in the Philippines. They provide online course. Their course was accredited in the Netherlands by International Council for Online Educational Standards, or ICOS, a Dutch-based organization with regard to high-quality content, procedure, and measurable learning outcomes of online education. Here are the inclusions if you want to enroll here: 150-hour TESOL digital certificate, C1 or C2 certificate assistance, detailed course transcript, and list of direct employers in Vietnam. Free help to apply. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey at TESOL Mentor International.